I'm Tim Fowler, Baltimore native. I work for Living Classrooms Foundation in the Historic Ships of Baltimore division. I like being in the shop, I like being out in the field too. This job offers you a good mix of both. I'm the ship's carpenter on the USS Constellation. We do all the maintenance and restoration on the ship. Every now and then you'll be working on the ship and somebody will come up to you and say, wow, this is great, we love this, and we really thank you for doing this. We're building the fighting tops, and that's a big platform that sits about 60 feet off the deck. It's called the fighting top because during a battle Marines would go up there with small arms. DEWALT has given quite a few tools over the years. From the very beginning, they helped with a lot of donations to get the project started. Tools we use mostly are the sanders, circular saws, several of the DEWALT planers that we used back in the 90s on the original restoration project. Those things were worked to death and they still work great. Living Classrooms, which runs the ship, is very important in the community. They take a lot of at-risk kids, at-risk adults, and they rehabilitated their lives. Historical artifacts like the Constellation and other things throughout the country are worth saving. I mean, they're a big part of our history. When people say, hey, you've got a great job, or they say, hey, you've got a great office view, then you realize, and it hits home, you really appreciate what a good job it is.